Welcome to sunny Minnesota, where things are warm and peaceful and lovely. We're having a winter heat wave today at 6 above. Watch us have our fun. So much fun. All we want to do is frolic in the snow and play. Yay!
And why do we live here, honey?
Because we don't like the poisonous insects, the tsunamis, and the hurricanes. Can I please go back inside? It's so cold out here.
Yes, let's go back in the house. I'm cold too. Alright guys, so first of the month collaboration. Welcome to Winter DIYs, and it is hosted by Rustic and Lace DIYs and At Home with Gigi. Let's get into project number 1. So I don't usually decorate too much for winter DIYs. I did make a little gnome here that kind of does resemble a little guy that looks like he's all cozy, snuggled like a little bug in a rug for the winter. This is usually how I do it. I grab some socks. These are no-sew gnomes, guys. So they're all made from socks. So I get a sock and I pour rice, or you can do rocks or poly beads, whatever you want, whatever you have on hand. Rice is usually cheaper. I do tie it off with rubber bands, but I also do jute twine as well, because rubber bands tend to dry rot. So just keep that in mind. I'm actually using the leftover bits from the top of the sock that I just cut off, and I'm gonna make some little arms for our little gnome here. I just grabbed some pipe cleaners, and I'm just going to wrap that up. You kind of saw how I cut it there. I cut it in half and then cut the half into halves again to make it quarters here. And then I'm just going to roll my pipe cleaner into that piece that I have here. And I'm going to do that twice. So I'm not going to show you both of them because it's pretty self-explanatory once I show you one. But we're just going to have 2 small little arms here. And then we're going to add his beard here. So my beards are all come pre-cut. I ordered these off of Etsy. I can have the link down below in my description box if you would like to check her out. I do like all of her designs. And then I'm going to add another sock. I did like the colors on this. Looked very cozy and warm, the little stripes and everything. I like the browns, and it's kind of like a cute pink. But I tried to go with some browns and grays and some blues for our theme tonight for our DIYs, just for the winter theme here. This one did have a little pink, but that's alright. So I glued down his little arms inside the hat, just kind of tucked him in. And now we're going to add little beads to his little cuffs of his arms here. I'm just kind of basically stuffing them in kind of sideways to where you can't see the bead hole, basically. So I'm just gluing a little bit on top and then just kind of folding over the sides of the cuff of that sock that we used. And now I'm going to stuff down some more polyfill into the top of his hat, just to give it a little bit more fuller effect here. We're going to tie off that with some more rubber band, and then I'm going to tie that off again with some jute twine. You can also use ribbon for this as well if you have a ribbon that you prefer. I'm going to make a little like bow to give it a little bit of a cute flare here on the top. We're kind of going to go for a little bit of a nerdy bookworm with this little guy here. I did make one last year that I really loved, and I ended up selling him, and I didn't want to sell him, but someone really loved him, so I ended up selling him. So this one is mine. He is not for sale. So we're going to add a little nose to him, and I kind of showed you kind of what I did there. I glued down the first bead hole to his beard, and then I put the little more bead or more glue on the other bead hole, and then I stuffed that and rolled it underneath where the hat rim is and hid that so you can't see the beads or bead holes here. Here I took a polymer clay candy cane and cut the bottom of it off, and I got these little cups from Temu last year, and I've only used one of them. So it comes with saucer and a little spoon and a little cup with like hot cocoa or coffee in it, and I bought them for gnomes and I wanted to use this, so I made him a little cup of hot cocoa with a little candy cane inside of it, and I glued the saucer down to the cup and then the spoon down to the little plate, and then I grabbed a little book that came from Temu as well, and I glued that down to his little hand. And then this little popcorn, it says Pop Secret, and I kind of tucked that underneath his little arm here, and he's gonna all set for his little cozy night under his blanket, and he's gonna go read his book and eat his popcorn and just cozy up with his hot cocoa. And then I added his little oversized nerdy glasses here, and me and Ryan decided on Beckett for his name, and he is gonna stay here with me. This one's my little guy. Project number 2. So I got this from Michael's, I believe. It's not really, this kind of doesn't really go with the winter stuff, but I'm kind of going with, kind of like I said, the blues and the browns kind of colors, but it is going to be kind of like an everyday thing. I need some more storage for some of my for stuff for my projects in my decor for around my oh, spit it out, Tiffany. I don't know, for like my my junk journaling and stuff. There we go. For like stickers and small ephemera and stuff like that. So I got these little drawers, and I thought they were just the cutest little things. So I picked out some colors for our little drawers here, and I'm kind of just going through and gluing it down. I did choose this color here for this little small drawer. And I'm just kind of cutting it back now. I do show you this small little drawer here. I put the little dot in the middle. You kind of saw me do that, and then cut like a little slit to get it through the little knob of the drawer, and then just kind of pushed it down through there. I did kind of push around the side of it so you can't really tell. I did use some hot glue on some of these. I used to kind of go around the little knob of it, and then I basically used stick glue for around the actual drawer, and everything seemed to turn out okay, but I wanted it kind of to blend really well. I'm not going to show you every drawer. I'm not going to show you every step here, but I did want to kind of make sure that you kind of got the concept of what I was doing here, but here I'm just kind of showing you that I'm gluing this one down after I kind of get around the little knob. I am using my X-Acto knife to kind of trim around the knob too, because some of the paper was kind of sticking up through that. And then I'm using my X-Acto knife to trim around the excess of the paper. I did make sure I trimmed it long enough around each edge when I cut the paper to make sure that it was going to be big enough. I did this for all 4 drawers. I did use the brown paper on the top drawer, one of the small top drawers, and then one of the bigger drawers as you see there. And then I did kind of the same print for the middle drawer, but in a different color, the blue. I kind of like this. The blues and the browns really go very well together. I really liked how this worked. I was debating on whether to paint the drawer set, but I decided to do it in kind of this turquoise color here. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a cute color. It's called Patina by Folk Art. I do go around with some of my Desoxide and in the front here and kind of dirty up the edges and stuff. I also do that on the drawers. You saw me do that prior to this. And then I'm going to take my black ink and take a stencil, and I'm going to kind of just go in with some lines. I just thought this would be kind of a neat technique. And I'm actually going to go around all 3 sides. I don't do the bottom of this, just to kind of give it a little bit of a textured look. And I actually really like how this turned out. But I don't show you all 4 sides, I promise. I'm telling them right now. And here I'm going to put the drawers back in with them all distressed. And I really like how this all turned out. And this is going to go on my desk with our cute little winter colors. And this will be kind of cute for, like I said, for some of my ephemera and my stickers and stuff like that for my junk journaling. And it'll fit really cute on my desk. So there you have it. And we're at the final reveal, you guys. Make sure you guys check out everybody on the playlist. Make sure you give everybody some love. And check out everybody's videos. I am really close of getting to 2,000, you guys. I'm like 80 away. So if you guys could like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't think I'm going to make it before my birthday, which was hopefully my goal, but I don't think I'm going to make it there. My birthday is on the 3rd, so I don't think I'm going to make it there. But if you can still share and like and do all that fun stuff, I'd still like to make my goal here really soon in the near future. So make sure you, like I said, give everybody some love, and go check out Brenda and go check out Gigi. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. I'm hoping to have out another cute video and a haul video from Christmas and stuff. And we'll see all the good stuff that I'll get to show you for scrapbooking and for junk journaling. So God bless you all, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!